The 2011 to 2015 Lincoln MKX uses an electronic system to track oil life, estimating oil quality based on driving conditions, mileage, and engine performance. It doesn't directly measure oil, but predicts when a change is needed, typically every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Ensure your vehicle is in park with the ignition on, but the engine off. Use the steering wheel controls to navigate to Vehicle Info or directly to Oil Life. You may need to press the Menu or Setup button to cycle through the options. Press and hold the Reset button or OK Enter until the display shows Oil Life reset to 100% or the percentage resets. This may take a few seconds. For touchscreen models from 2013 and later, navigate through the sync screen, Settings, Vehicle, Oil Life, Reset. Always perform this reset after a genuine oil and filter change using Ford-approved oils, such as 5W30 synthetic. If the system fails to reset, a diagnostic scan may be needed to check for error codes like P0196, which relates to the engine oil temperature sensor.